Want to unlock the power of WhatsApp to skyrocket your marketing results? Let's dive straight into creating high-converting WhatsApp campaigns using Aisensy. First things first, log into your Aisensy account and head over to the Campaigns section. You'll find it prominently displayed on the left-hand navigation menu. Click on it to get started. Now, look for the Create Campaign button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click to begin crafting your campaign. Next, you'll be presented with a form. Start by giving your campaign a clear and descriptive name to easily identify it later. This will help you stay organized as you create more campaigns. Audience targeting is key. Select your desired audience based on demographics, interests, or past purchase behavior. Aisensy provides robust segmentation options to ensure your message reaches the right people. Now for the fun part, crafting your message. Use Aisensy's rich text editor to create a compelling message. Add emojis, format your text, and most importantly, include a clear call to action. What do you want your audience to do? Visit your website, claim a discount, make it crystal clear. Ensure your call to action button stands out. Aisensy offers various button styles and text options to make it visually appealing and encourage clicks. Don't forget to schedule your campaign for optimal timing. Aisensy lets you choose the exact date and time to send your messages, maximizing engagement based on when your audience is most active. Before launching, carefully review your campaign summary. Double-check your audience selection, message content, and scheduled send time to avoid any errors. Finally, launch your campaign and monitor its performance using Aisensy's analytics dashboard. Track key metrics like delivery rates, open rates, and click-through rates to optimize future campaigns and get the most out of your WhatsApp marketing. That's all there is to it. Happy marketing!